All right, so for this Nomad Sculpt video or modeling video, we are going to do a microwave. So as you can see in the right upper corner or left upper corner, whichever, we've done a top view, a side view, and a bottom view or a back view. And we can see, like, if we break it down a little bit, it's like four little squares, four little, sorry, cubes, one big cube, one hollowed out cube, little cube, and then like two cylinders. So let's go ahead and do that and see if we can get it done. All right, so let's get rid of what we have here. Add a box and this. Okay, so we need to make sure it's quite big, about that big. Okay, not too big, but I think it's the job done. Okay. Now we got the body of it, so let's name things as we go. Microwave body. Enter. Okay. Then we can add another box. See, this will be where the space for the food is getting cooked. So go up, left. So that's good. Okay. Let's see, that's pretty big. Okay, let's make this a little bigger. Back, go in there. Okay. And that's good. Okay. But validate, we are going to copy this, then take that out, ignore this one, only focus on that one, and then this. Okay. Okay. All right. See. So now we're going to haul this out. Box submerge, resolution 150. Let's just go with 100 for now. Okay. And put box submerge. There, we've emptied it out. Now we can use the other box right here. Make sure it's turned on. Now we can see it. Let's make it thin like this. And put it like right in front. About right in front, yeah. Okay. Make it a little bigger. Actually, no, make it about the right, same size, okay. There, that's good. Okay, and so this will be like the screen for the microwave. We're just gonna leave it like this for now. So see, you can see the effect. But like, let's say you download this item, this model, you can use that screen and then do some rendering work and make this slightly invisible. So we're gonna leave it like this. So let's name it microwave cover. Well, not cover, glass. Yeah, all right, we'll just go with that. Okay, make it visible. All right. Then we're gonna need to add a little screen here, so another box. And I'm hoping this breakdown of of objects with that little 2D design, and then actually building it is helping you realize, you know, how you can break down models and stuff like that. Things you want to model to make them easier to actually model. Okay, and this will be our, you know, like that, our microwave screen. Selection. So I guess we can make it like I guess most microwaves nowadays they're like, you know, you can do like touch input. So this is why it's a microwave screen selection. Right, and then we add some cylinders. Make them way smaller than that. Okay. All right. This should be a little smaller. All right. Okay. 1B for stopping, starting. So clone it. Right. Cool. That'll be easier. All right. Now we got our microwave, the basic shapes. Let's do little squares. So little leg stands. So go back to scene, box, top view, make it way smaller than that. Okay, cool. Then we can clone that, go to top view. Oh. Right, clone that. Oh. Okay. Remember, it's not going to be perfect, so don't worry too much about it. You're learning. Okay, duplicate that again. Cancel. Oh. Right. Project microwave. Right. All right, sweet. We got our little legs. They're about the same height, so it shouldn't be an issue. All right. Now let's join all these. Simple merge. any of them. Microwave legs or leggies, whatever. All right. So essentially we have our microwave done. One thing we did add to the back here is like an exhaust thing. And it's honestly, that's up to you if you want to add that, and we will. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's do a box, make it go down. Okay, that's good. Okay, then let's duplicate that, bring it down, duplicate that, bring it down. Okay, that's good. Join them all together in simple merge. Then unhighlight them. I mean, make sure they're not visible. Then go to the microwave body, select it, and box of merge. So we get those three little dents, and that'll be our exhaust right there for the microwave, so it doesn't overheat. I think the last thing is we wanted to add like a little extension power cord. So we can do that really easily is do like a tube, go to front, right, front, then go to curve here after you select the tube. All right, lock that. We're gonna need to do a little bit of maneuvering here. So it doesn't look all wonky. That power cord looks too what do you call it? Too thick. So what we're gonna do is see, make it go in there and there. All right, there you have your power cord. Now we can add our little box. Rename it power cord. From there, we can add a little box. It's okay, there we are. Duplicate that. Make it go lower, then out. There. Oh, nope, not that. Clone it again and move it. All right, and there we have our power cord and the extender things. So we can just do enter, simple box will merge, power cord. Can we need that? Power cord connector. Connection. Okay. All right. And as you can see, we have our microwave built. Didn't take that long, and it's also pretty relatively easy to put together. That, what do you call it? Tube really helped out with making the cord. All right, so we're just gonna leave the model as is. It's pretty good. I hope you can use it if you'd like. So video is pretty much over. If you want to stick around, I'm gonna do the UV unwrapping, and you can see that. All right, so remember, each part has to be UV unwrapped, so under 100. Okay, cool. Oh, it's going pretty easy. Okay. It's a little bigger. All right, just gonna take a little longer. Sweet. Right, then power cord. All right, so then looks like our entire model for the microwave is UV unwrap. So it should be a little easier if like you wanna upload it into, import it into like Blender and do some modifications there. Like make this cover or glass cover into actual glass so you can see into it. All right, so model's free. It's gonna be added to the link, to the video. Best of luck. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in comments. I really appreciate it, and have a good day.